Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today I teach you adjective. What is an adjective? Please, first of all, look at these three sentences. In the sentence one is Ahmed is a man. Ahmed is a man. Ahmed is also noun and man is also a noun. Ahmed is a proper noun and man is a common noun. This common noun has many connotations. In this sentence, it is not clear what kind of man is Ahmed. Now, look at the second sentence. Ahmed is a wise man. Here, a word wise has been added. It describes this noun man. Now it is clear what kind of man is Ahmed. This is the word which describes this word noun. So again in sentence 3, he is a wise man. He is a wise man. He is pronoun. Man is noun. This wise is the same word which describes the man. So in these three sentences, it is clear that a word describes a noun or pronoun. From this, we can make definition of an adjective. Now, this is the definition. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. This is the definition. In the second sentence, the wise describes a noun Ahmed, and in the second sentence, he is used instead of Ahmed, which is a pronoun. So the definition is an adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. The word adjective means added to. The word adjective means added to. So we can say that an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun. This is the definition of an adjective. Now, the usage of an adjective. There are two ways to use an adjective. Now look at these two sentences. A new house is for sale. Before I describe this, please note that here house is noun and new, the word new is adjective which describes the house. In the second sentence, the house for sale is new. Here adjective is used in the last. In this sentence, the adjective comes before noun. Before noun means it is pre-modification. The word which is used before noun, which directly qualifies the noun, is called attributive adjective. This usage is called attributive adjective. The adjective is used attributively, which comes before noun, which directly qualifies the noun. But in the second sentence, the house for sale is new. Here, the adjective has come after the verb is. Is a verb. Verb and the related words make predicate. Make predicate. Here the predicate is for sale. This is predicate and this is subject. A new house is subject. Here the word qualifies the noun directly. It is called attributive adjective. But in the second sentence, the adjective makes the part of predicate. This is a predicate. Adjective makes the part of predicate. So it is called post modification, or the word which makes part, an adjective which makes part of a predicate is said to be predicative adjective. There are two ways of using the adjective in a sentence. First is attributive. The adjective is used attributively, and second, the adjective is used predicatively. These are the two usages of the adjective in a sentence. Keep this in mind, please. Again, some adjectives are used only predicatively. Suppose, such as well, afraid, alive, aware, etc. These words can be used only predicatively. As Ali is afraid of dogs. These alive, he is alive. These adjectives are used only predicatively. So these are the two usages of the adjectives. Now I tell you the history and etymology of the adjective. Adjective was used in 14th and 15th century. Middle English. In Middle English, adjective. There is a word adjective, adjectif. It is borrowed from Anglo-French and late Latin. Adjective. Another word is Anglo-French adjective, adjectif. Here if and in this yf. It is borrowed from late Latin. It is borrowed from late Latin adjectivum or adjectivus. These are the etymology of adjective. Another from Latin adjectivus, adjectus. There is a word adjectus. The participle of adjicer, adjicer means, adjicer means to throw at, attach, contribute, or add to. As I told you in the beginning that the word adjective means add to. This is add to, Latin word. Adjectus, Latin word. Adjectus. It is a participle of adjecture, means to add to. So the word adjective means add to. An adjective is a word used to add to the meaning of noun or pronoun. This is the definition of adjective. And there are two ways to use adjectives. One is adjective is used attributively. Second, adjective is used predicatively. When adjective is a part of predicate, it is used predicatively. And when adjective is used before noun, which directly qualifies the noun and comes before noun, it is attributive adjective. And the adjective which is the part of predicate is called predicative adjective. So these are two usages, two ways to use the adjective. Adjective is used first attributively, second predicatively. Now I give you the exercise. This is the exercise. There are 10 sentences. First of all, you have to find out the adjectives and then tell the usage, whether it is used attributively or it is used predicatively. So read these 10 sentences very carefully. First of all, underline the adjectives and then tell whether it is used attributively or it is used predicatively. Read these 10 sentences. I give you some time. First sentence, a kind man loves everyone. Second, the water is very hot. Third, a polite boy respects everyone. Number 4, a sharp knife cut my finger. Number 5, honey is sweet. Number 6, this sum is difficult. Number 7, a poisonous snake stung him. Number 8, a caring nurse looked after him. Number 9, the teacher was kind to his students. Number 10, a large house was for sale. Pick out adjectives in these sentences and tell whether they are used attributively or predicatively. Do this exercise in your notebooks, please. Then I will tell you the answer and check your work. Okay, number first. A kind man loves everyone. Kind is adjective. Kind is adjective. It is used before noun. Man. Man is noun. Man is noun. So this is attributive adjective. This adjective is used attributively. Number second, the water is very hot. Hot is adjective. It is a part of predicate. So it is a predicative adjective. This adjective hot is used predicatively. Number third, a polite boy. Polite is adjective. Boy is a noun. It is used before noun. So it is attributive adjective. This adjective polite is used attributively. Number 4, a sharp knife cut my finger. Knife is a noun. Sharp is adjective. It is used before noun. So it is also attributive adjective. This adjective sharp is used attributively. Number 5, honey is sweet. Sweet is adjective. It is used after verb. So it is a predicate. It is predicative adjective. This adjective sweet is used predicatively. This sum is difficult. Difficult is adjective. It is also used as predicate. it is predicative adjective. The adjective difficult is used predicatively. Number 7, a poisonous snake stung him. Snake is a noun, poisonous is adjective. It is used before noun, so it is attributive. The adjective poisonous is used attributively. A caring nurse. Caring is adjective, nurse is a noun. It is used before noun, so it is attributive. The adjective caring is used attributively. The teacher was kind to his students. Kind is adjective. It is used after the verb was, so it is a predicate. The word kind is adjective. This adjective is used predicatively. Number 10, a large house was for sale. House is a noun. Large is used before noun. It is attributive. Adjective. So, adjective large is used attributively. You should have checked your answer, and if you have made mistakes, please correct these. Thank you very much.